Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Audi S5. First, gather all necessary tools and supplies, including a new oil filter, fresh engine oil, a drain pan, and wrenches. Make sure your engine is warm, but not excessively hot, to allow the old oil to drain efficiently. We'll then locate the drain plug and the oil filter housing, preparing for the next steps. Now, place your drain pan directly under the oil drain plug. Using the correct wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the old engine oil to drain fully into the pan. This process usually takes several minutes. Once the oil flow slows to a drip, clean the area and reinstall the drain plug with a fresh washer, ensuring it's tightened to the manufacturer's recommended torque. Next, it's time to replace the oil filter. Locate the oil filter housing, usually on top of the engine, and carefully unscrew it. Remove the old filter element and discard it properly. Before installing the new filter, replace the O-rings on the filter housing cap. Insert the new filter, then screw the housing back on, tightening it to the specified torque. Finally, we'll add the fresh engine oil. Locate the oil fill cap and pour in the recommended amount of new oil for your Audi S5. After filling, replace the cap and check the oil level using either the dipstick or your car's electronic oil level system. Start the engine for about 1 minute, then turn it off, wait a few minutes, and recheck the level, looking for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.